Hello everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily fix no SIM card detected on your Honor Magic V6. So first, as you guys can see, I do have the card, but if you don't see yours, what you guys want to do first is if you have a case, make sure to remove it. Now, as you guys can see, we get rid of the case. And here, whenever we fold our phone, right at the bottom, we have our SIM tray opener. So grab the SIM tray tool or SIM tray ejector. Now it should pop out like this, and we're just gonna grab it. Here we have our SIM card, and now let me put the phone away. Here we want to remove and reinsert the SIM card. So now let's go over, and here we have a small card that will tell us how to put it back. So we should put it like this. I'm using the second SIM slot because the first one, sometimes I just can't get my card in there and I got no idea why. But once you got your SIM card and it's flat in here, so it looks like this, like there's nothing, you can go ahead and place it back. Make sure that there's a dot. Here you have a dot, so you have to rotate it. Now we need to put it gently and make sure that it is flat now. So once it's flat, let me just go over and put on the case. And once we put on the case, as you guys can see, everything just went back to normal. You can clean the SIM card with a soft cloth. Try and clean it, maybe that's the issue. Or test the SIM in another phone to confirm its functionality. What are we going to do here is we're going to go to settings and we're going to scroll all the way down to system and updates. Go to software update, and here we want to make sure that we are on the latest version. It should check automatically for us, and after it checks out, we want to make sure that you're up to date. So you will see this notification. You want to make sure that you're on the latest version so that you don't have any old glitches on your device. And as a last resort, you can leave system and updates and go to reset and reset network settings. Here you can reset the Wi-Fi, mobile data, and Bluetooth at the same time. So you just tap on reset network settings, reset it again, and it will be done. So you can click here and you see the confirmation. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, then make sure to leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.